We're the Gforce Machine Company. Have you recently reharped your furnaces and now you have a boneyard full of unusable furnace tubes and reformer tubes, and you're thinking to yourself, what am I going to do with all this scrap? Well, Gforce Machine is here to help out. We'll buy those reformer tubes, those furnace tubes that you have taking up space. We'll handle all the logistics, we assume all the risk, and we buy as is, where is. We'll put the cash in your hand before we even leave the yard. There's no other company that'll make you that guarantee. So call us today at 1-877-295-8149 or contact us online at gforcemachine.com.